spectacularly renovated and beautifully appointed home situated on the 11th Fairway. Spacious floorplan perfect for entertaining and family living. Chef's kitchen has granite and quartz counters and stainless steel appliances. Large family room with custom cabinets and fireplace plumbed for gas. Hardwood floors throughout living areas. Luxurious master suite west fireplace and 3 walk-in closets. Spa-designed master bath west deep soaking tub and separate tiled shower. 2 bonus rooms, 1 with separate exterior entrance, give you great flex space. Zoned HVAC and double-hung windows for energy efficiency. Low-maintenance exterior. 2-car side-loading garage. Generator hookup. Expansive golf course views across the back. Professionally landscaped and fenced yard with sprinkler system. Decking, patio, pergola and fire pit expand outdoor living space. Relax in the spa after a day at the